working down at number 9 ever since I was a lad. Swinging a pickaxe like my daddy and my granddad. Started as a powder monkey with the dynamite in my hand, blasting through the rock to claim this rugged land. On that black train, rolling underground, through the dust and the danger where no sunlight's found. Fit or sinker, I've done every job there is. On that black train where the mind meets the abyss. As a fitter, I fixed the rails, kept the carts in line, welding in the darkness in that coal mine. Became a sinker, digging deeper every day, always watching for the signs of the dangers on the way. On that black train, rolling underground, through the dust and the danger where no sunlight's found. Fit or sinker, I've done every job there is. On that black train where the mind meets the abyss. The company store took all our hard-earned pay, with its prices so high and no other way. We bought our goods on credit, but the debt never cleared. In the shadow of the black train, we live with constant fear. Acid mine water trickling through the veins, corroding steel and dreams, leaving only stains. With every shift we worked, we knew the risks we'd take, but the black train kept on rolling for our family's sake. On that black train, rolling underground, through the dust and the danger where no sunlight's found. Fit or sinker, I've done every job there is. On that black train where the mind meets the abyss. Now I look back on the years, the coldest in my veins, the brothers I've lost and the life's hard gains. Still the black train calls with its lonesome, mournful cry, in the number 9 coal mine till the day I die.